Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on this. So the question I have today is, what would the best strategy for locksmith niche? Tried many, maximize clicks, get many irrelevant traffic with high conversion, maximize conversion. The conversions is outrageous. We do only car keys, not the standard lockouts and locksmith locations, Los Angeles and New York. So the guy also provided locksmith location. Okay, for those who don't know, like about 5 to 6 years ago, and our company had a very big client regarding locksmith, and we worked few months regarding locksmith, and it was a very good experience working with them, and they were extremely satisfied with my team and services. So the question over here is the best strategy. So the first strategy I think you tried yourself is that maximize clicks and you got an irrelevant traffic. Now when it's coming to the maximize conversions, in order to maximize conversions to work on, you have to be patient. I ideally suggest for new companies to go with maximize clicks, and once they get data, they can shift on maximize conversions. But even with once they shift on maximize conversions, not all the companies suddenly started getting conversions, but it can take time. But you need to also look on few things, before running a campaign on Google Ads, and that is the very important thing is to understand the intent behind the keyword. So my suggestion would be to work on your keyword research, create small STAG theme based campaigns uh, with not more than 5 to 7 keywords. That is the maximum keywords I'm going to suggest for a specific keyword. A definite landing page and an optimized landing page also plays a huge role here, over here. You know that you are spending money, so improving your landing page experience also matters a lot. So an optimized landing page experience is going to do wonders for you. So my suggestion is over there. Also create a retargeting campaign. Okay, that can help as well. That creating a retargeting campaign is going to give more and more conversions, because the people who are already know about your product and brand and service, and since they have visited you before, so that can increase conversions. Ideally, I suggest you to have email newsletter. Also, email newsletter do not work much over here, because this is something you need in kind of an emergency. So I also suggest you to create local search campaigns that are being shown on Google Maps. So that is my another scenario over here, that in this field, in this area, because are targeting a location like Los Angeles and New York. I want you to narrow down to further areas in Los Angeles and New York and do this local search campaign targeting, and that can also improve your conversions and sales, because once you narrow down, you're going to find out what areas are converting well for your business, and then we can simply get an effective campaign on this. I also suggest you to keep an eye on your competitors. This can also help improving like a landing page, deals, pricing, everything of what they are doing. We need to have an idea, and are we matching them, and or are we better than them? We need to know the answers of these as well while working on this. So I hope it answers your question. So in case if you need me or my team company services regarding Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, SEO, web development services, the details are in the description of this video and how you can reach with us. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So in case if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.